जय हिंद दोस्तों. So today we are starting for the practice set 5.1. First let's start for the what is that linear equation in two variable. Now linear equation in two variable, it means like using of the power index is 2 and now two variables. So suppose that now two variable, it's like m and xy, pq, then rt. So these are two variable, and using of the there are so many alphabet letter in the 26 alphabet letters in the variable, and now use of the any two variable. Now introduction. So this one is done. Now linear equation in two variable, simultaneously equation and solving simultaneously equation, and what problem based on the simultaneously equation. So first one, now m plus 3 is equal to 5. So this one is now m, and now after 3, after is equal to, there will be operator is a change. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Then 3y plus 8 and 22. Now this for the plus 8, then after now shifting, after is equal to 22 minus 8, 22, then minus 8. So now 14 upon 3, this is the answer of the 14 upon 3. Then x upon 3 is equal to 2. So these are divide is there, then after is equal to, there will be using of the multiplication. So 3 2 is 6. Then 2p, then is equal to p plus 4 upon 9. Then now 2p and minus p is equal to 4 upon 9. Then 2p minus p is equal to p and 4 upon 9. This is now your final answer. So which number should be added to 5 and to obtain by 14? Okay, to obtain by 14, which number is adding now obtain by the 14? So 14, there will be reducing of the 14 minus 5 is equal to now 9, right? So now 14x, now x and 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. Now here which number should be subtracted from the 8 to obtain by 2? So 8 minus y, and now 8 minus y after 2. So 2 minus 8 is equal to minus 6, and now minus get cancelled, and y is equal to 6. So this for the final answer. Now linear equation in two variable, there are the some activities is there. I think it can't be possible. So start for the practice set. This now is very easy practice set. So first one, now practice set 5.1.